Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to isolate hair in Photoshop. First of all, open your Photoshop, then press Ctrl Z for duplicate layer. Click selection tool, right click on your mouse, quick selection tool, multi selections. You can select only hair or select full object as your wish. I select only hair. Apply the same formula, only selected object. Then go to refine its black, click and drag it, increase the pointer size. Now you can see this, increase the pointer size, click and drag it smoothly. Okay, then now we can see this output to selection. Click the drop down menu, select layer mask or new layer with layer mask. I select layer mask, then click OK. Now we can see this isolate for this on layer.